Good morning from the Real Food Academy studios. I am Cesar Alfredo, and these are your top stories. Tuesday, January 19th at 7 p.m., Chef Giuseppe will be instructing the culinary fundamentals. This is a basic introduction to your kitchen, what you need to know guide, if you will. That's January 19th at 7 p.m. Also, Wednesday afternoon, Chef Maria, she will be instructing an Indian lunch course. In this class, you'll experience exotic flavors and how to utilize them in a healthy approach to Indian cuisine. So that's January 20th at 11:30 a.m. Also, Thursday evening, Chef Maria with another class, Naughty Vegan. No need to be vegan for this one. With recipes like the Thai coconut ceviche and the chocolate cheesecake, you just can't go wrong with that. That is Thursday the 20th at 7:30. And now to Rosa Maria, Margarita, and the Real Food Cafe patio.
Thank you, Cesar. Wednesday 20th, Chef Isa continues the after-school cooking program with how to become a real food chef. This week, students will be learning all about pasta making. They will learn how to make pasta from scratch with chicken primavera. Students can sign up for the whole course or just for one class going to therealfoodacademy.com. Also, Cesar, Saturday morning class with Chef Isa. This week is Winter Bliss. In this class, they will learn all about how to cook slow foods. All their favorite comfort foods, healthier, really healthy. Cesar, do you hear? Healthy. Just have to sign up at therealfoodacademy.com. Cesar. From the Real Food Academy Cafe patio, Rosa Maria Margarita reporting. Back to you, Cesar.
Well, thank you for that really wet report, Rosa Maria. You can go to realfoodacademy.com for more information. You can also find them on all social medias. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified. From the Real Cafe studio, I'm Cesar Alfredo, and here's to keeping it real.
And realfoodacademy.com? You didn't say it.
I said it at the beginning.
You said it?
Yeah.